Ever needed cash and wondered, can I use my Venmo debit card at an ATM? The answer is yes, you absolutely can. But there are a few things you need to know to make sure you're doing it right and avoiding any unnecessary fees. First, let's talk about the essentials. To withdraw cash, your Venmo debit card must be activated, and you need to know your PIN. If you haven't set up a PIN yet, you'll need to do that through the Venmo app. It's the same PIN you'll use for any in-store purchases that require it. Now, where can you go? Your Venmo debit card, which is a MasterCard, works at any ATM that accepts MasterCard, Pulse, Cirrus, or MoneyPass. This is key because using a MoneyPass ATM is your golden ticket to avoiding fees. There are tens of thousands of MoneyPass ATMs across the U.S. at places like 7-Eleven, CVS, and Target. You can easily find them using the ATM locator in your Venmo app or on the MoneyPass website. And speaking of fees, this is where it gets important. While MoneyPass ATMs are free, Venmo charges a $2.50 fee for every domestic ATM withdrawal at a non-MoneyPass ATM. And on top of that, the ATM owner might also charge their own fee. These fees can add up quickly, so always aim for a MoneyPass ATM. Finally, let's cover the withdrawal limits. The daily cash withdrawal limit for your Venmo debit card is $1,000. This limit resets every day at midnight CST. Just remember, you can only withdraw money that is already in your Venmo balance. If you try to pull out more than you have, the transaction will be declined. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.